What's the meaning of corporal? Corporal. Corporal.
Corporal. Corporal. The word corporal has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. One common meaning refers to a military rank, typically below sergeant and above private. Another meaning refers to physical punishment inflicted on the body, often with a whip or rod. In religious contexts, corporal is often used to refer to physical objects used in rituals such as the corporal cloth used on the altar during Massachusetts overall. The term corporal generally relates to the physical body or physical punishment.